Okay, so let's talk about something that's been buzzing around the health and wellness community lately: chia seeds. You've probably seen them in smoothies, sprinkled over salads, or maybe even featured in some trendy Instagram posts. But what's the real deal? Are these tiny little seeds truly the superfood they're hyped up to be? I decided to put them to the test myself, eating chia seeds daily for 2 weeks, and let me tell you, the results were nothing short of shocking. First off, let's dive into what chia seeds actually are. They're tiny black or white seeds from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Mexico and Guatemala. These little guys are packed with nutrients. We're talking about omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and a whole bunch of vitamins and minerals. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 140 calories, 11 grams of fiber, and a whopping 5 grams of protein. Now, that's impressive for something that fits in the palm of your hand. So I started my chia seed journey by incorporating them into my breakfast. I mixed them into my oatmeal, added them to smoothies, and even tried them in my yogurt. The first thing I noticed was how they expanded when they absorbed liquid. It's like they were little sponges, soaking up all that moisture. This was a game changer for my breakfasts. I used to feel hungry again within a couple of hours, but with chia seeds, I felt fuller for longer. It's all that fiber, folks. It slows down digestion and keeps you satisfied. But here's where it gets interesting. I thought, okay, I'm feeling fuller, but what else is happening? So, I kept a little journal to track my experience. By the end of the first week, I noticed something surprising. My energy levels were through the roof. I'm talking about that mid-afternoon slump we all know too well. It disappeared. I used to reach for that second cup of coffee or a sugary snack to get me through the day, but with chia seeds in my diet, I found I didn't need that boost. My body felt more balanced, and I was able to power through my tasks without feeling drained. It was like I had discovered a secret weapon against fatigue. Now let's talk about digestion. I know it's not the most glamorous topic, but hear me out. One of the biggest benefits of chia seeds is their high fiber content. I've always struggled a bit with regularity, and I was curious to see if adding chia seeds would make a difference. Spoiler alert, it did. Within just a few days, my digestive system felt like it was operating on a whole new level. I'm not saying I was running to the bathroom every 5 minutes, but let's just say things were definitely moving along smoothly. It's amazing how a small change in your diet can have such a significant impact on your overall well-being. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the taste. Chia seeds have a very mild flavor, which makes them incredibly versatile. I found they didn't overpower the dishes I was adding them to. In fact, they added a nice little crunch when sprinkled on top of my salads. They can also be used to create a pudding-like texture when mixed with milk or a milk alternative, which was a fun way to switch up my dessert game. I experimented with different flavors: vanilla, cocoa, and even some fruit purees. It felt like I was indulging, but I was actually nourishing my body. Who doesn't love that kind of win-win? As I moved into the second week, I decided to get a bit more adventurous. I tried making chia seed jam by combining them with some mashed fruit and a bit of sweetener. It was a hit. I spread it on toast and topped it with nut butter, and it was honestly one of the best breakfasts I had that week. The jam was thick and satisfying, and I felt like I was eating something decadent while still being healthy. It's all about finding those creative ways to incorporate these seeds into your meals. But it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. There were a couple of hiccups along the way. For one, I learned that it's essential to drink plenty of water when you're consuming chia seeds. They absorb a lot of liquid, and if you're not hydrated, you might end up feeling a bit bloated. Trust me, nobody wants that. So I made it a point to keep my water bottle close by, and that made a huge difference. By the end of the 2 weeks, I was genuinely surprised by how much I enjoyed incorporating chia seeds into my daily routine. I felt lighter, more energized, and my body was thanking me for the extra nutrients. I even noticed my skin looked a bit clearer, which was a nice bonus. It's amazing how the food we eat can impact not just our physical health, but our overall mood and energy levels. So, would I recommend adding chia seeds to your diet? Absolutely. They're easy to incorporate, versatile, and packed with health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or just add some variety to your meals, these little seeds are worth a try. Just remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body as you make changes. Who knows? You might just be as shocked by the results as I was. Give them a shot, and you might find yourself on a new health journey that's both delicious and rewarding.